Xiaomi is reportedly working on the Xiaomi 18 lineup for the Chinese market. So far, the lineup is expected to include the Xiaomi 18, 18 Pro, 18 Pro Max, and 18 Ultra. The Ultra edition may debut by the end of this year, whereas the other three models may go official in September in China. A new leak, courtesy of Tipster Digital Chat Station, has revealed that the entire lineup will feature a 200-megapixel camera. The new leak suggests that the current engineering samples of the entire Xiaomi 18 series are equipped with a 200-megapixel camera backed by a large 1/1.28-inch sensor. The tipster added that this generation is said to feature a dual 200-megapixel imaging system, described internally as a landmark upgrade for the brand's camera capabilities. As per previous reports, the Xiaomi 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max may both sport dual 200-megapixel cameras in their rear setup. These could be used for the primary and periscope telephoto cameras. The standard Xiaomi 17 has a telephoto camera in its rear camera setup. However, rumors surrounding the Xiaomi 18 suggest that it will be equipped with a periscope telephoto camera. Related rumors also suggest that the Xiaomi 18's periscope telephoto camera will feature a 200-megapixel sensor. Speaking of the standard Xiaomi 18, it may arrive with a slight increase in display size, reaching 6.4 inches compared to 6.3 inches on the Xiaomi 17. As far as the chipset is concerned, the Xiaomi 18, 18 Pro, and 18 Pro Max are all expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chip. Likely, the Xiaomi 18 Ultra could be equipped with the more powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro SoC.